This tutorial will guide you how to register account on Ajira Portal. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now you can go to portal.ajira.go.tz. Also on this page here, I'll put the link on the description of this YouTube video or on the comment section down below. Also this page here, make sure to select create account. So you'll see an option either browse vacancies or create account. So I'm going to select create account. Now also select create account. You will need to provide your email and password to register. So I'm going to provide my email here, then make sure to provide a password. So the password, you can choose any strong password that you like. Now also you create a password here, make sure to select create account. Then also create an account to tell you registration successfully. Your account has been created successfully. Please check your email to activate your account. Log in with your credentials. So to activate your account, you'll have to come here to the email. So I'll have to just go to the inbox, and then it will see an option here, Ajira account activation. So what you need to do, you'll have to select here activate account. So make sure to click this link. It says here your account has been created successfully. Click the button below to activate your account. For security reasons, this activation link will expire after 24 hours. So make sure to select activate account on your email address. Now it will say here account activated successfully. So once your account is activated successfully, make sure to put your details, including your password, and then make sure to click login. And also click login. Then that's how you can create an account and also activate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.